Then I go to Tour. In this video we're just going to do the seat base. So we've done the seat back there. You can fillet these ends if you want to. We'll go into detail like that later. So we'll add a new part studio, and we'll call the new part studio, we'll right click on the part studio, rename it, and we'll call it just a seat. So what we're going to do now is we're going to draw basically the same but just the seat part of it. So what we'll do is we'll go to sketch, maybe use the front plane in this case, and then we'll go and click on the front plane there, use our corner rectangle, make it 600 again, enter, and by 150, enter, and then we're going to click on the front plane here, and we're going to do the same, but this time we're going to put our curve bit here on the top. So we're going to do the 3-pointed arc, click on there, and move it down until we've got 800 as a radius, and then I'll use the scissors and I'll cut this out. So it's the same as the seat backs, it's just the base part. And now we can extrude this. Let's make it for argument's sake, just for the first bit, let's make it 650, enter, and then we can green tick that. We can also fillet this, so let's click on the top bit there and we'll go to the fillet tool, and then we'll fillet everything 15 mils again just for comfort. Now I've got the base and the back, and then you can go and do assembly if you want to, but we'll already, for our digital development, we'll already see a few things that we can add. So if you go to insert and I put my seat bed in, I like to lock it in. Once you've put something in, give it a green tick and automatically lock it in with your origin there. So click on the fasten mate, you can click on this corner there and the origin there and fasten mate that together just to make sure that it's fastened. Now I can insert the seat back, and here I already will see a few things that I have to develop. So I need to develop some kind of joining method between these two, and just to show you guys how the orientating 3-pronged angle tool look. If you click on this, you'll get that. So I want to it's the 3 axis X, Y, and Z. You can tilt it this way. I want to tilt it a little bit back, let's say about 20 degrees, and you can type in 20 degrees, enter. So what I've done is I tilted it back 20 degrees, and I can mate it with the base, but because I want to make a foldable chair, I probably have to think of some kind of hinge or mechanism between these two parts. Okay, so in this video I showed the base, it's basically the same as the top, and I showed you how to insert it into assembly, and now you can change it. So now I've discovered something that I can work on my digital development, how I'm going to put the two together.